Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is well. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you for clicking in today's video. So today we are making this delicious leg lamb roast. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button, share the video and comment down below what you think about the recipe. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Starting with ingredients, we will need 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 3 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, a quarter cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoon barbecue spice, half cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and half cup oil. So I have washed the meat. The leg is nice and clean. Now here I was showing you guys, you have to make deep holes with a knife. As you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and make deep holes all over the leg. Now in one bowl, we're going to mix all the spices together. Now, before applying the spicy mixture on the leg lamb, we have to make sure it's nicely dry. So I'm using a paper towel to pat dry the lamb leg until it's nicely dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the mixture, make sure I rub nicely, focusing on the in those holes which we made. So just make sure you rub nicely everywhere, and then I'll show you guys what it's next. Next, I'm going to wrap the leg lamb with foil paper, and then I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight to roast next day. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. So here what I did, I add water in that baking pan and I placed the rake, the leg lamb I put on top of the rack. So the oven is in 108 degree. I'm going to bake the leg, or to roast the leg, for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So here it's after 2 hours, and we just wanted to see how it's going inside there, and the leg was perfectly fine, was already it was already cooked. So now I just remove the sauce, the sauce. I put one side, and then I will roast the leg without foil paper for about 10 to 15 minutes in both sides. Voila, and here it was done. I have roasted without foil paper, and it's looking really, 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 really delicious, as you guys can see. So I'm going to wrap with the foil paper again, just to keep it warm, because I was still busy with the other stuff. So I just wrap it so that it can stay it can stay warm. So this is the what I'm putting there is the sauce which we remove from the meat. Yeah, so I'm just putting back that sauce into the meat just to stay juicy, must not be dry when it's time to eat. Yeah guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to smash the like button and make sure you subscribe if you new, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.